Betty White in Life with Elizabeth, featuring Del Moore. Number 2 in the life of Elizabeth occurred because she's a little on the tender-hearted side when it comes to animals. I wouldn't want to say she overdoes this tendency, but Alvin might.
Okay, fellas, dinner's ready.
Okay, let me wash up, honey, and I'll be right with you.
Not you, silly. I mean the birds. Look, darling, aren't they cute?
I don't see any birds.
They're still in the bushes. There's Charlie over there. And there's Rupert up in the tree. Look.
Rupert?
I call him Rupert because he's so many different colors.
Rupert Colors? I know.
No, Rupert Hughes.
I had the bird a lot of times, but I've never seen a situation where Get a load of the buzzard over by the fence.
Buzzard. Morning, Mrs. Skinridge. Just feeding the birds.
How do you like that? I'd like to look over there one time without seeing her head hanging over the fence. You know, I'm beginning to forget what the rest of her looks like.
Oh, she's very thin. Matter of fact, you see those 2 fence posts standing right next to each other?
Yeah.
Wave to the one on the left.
She'll be watching every move we make the rest of the afternoon. You would think that we'd have one day when I could look over there and not see that head hanging over the fence. Gets to be part of the back. What are you looking at?
I'm just looking at these ants. Look.
Is this leading up to a joke about uncles? Huh?
Seriously, darling, they say ants are the most intelligent form of life. Look at this. Look, honey. Hundreds of them, all busily engaged in some kind of work, see?
I'll say one thing for them, they're quiet.
Sure they're quiet. They're all barefooted.
I don't see anything intelligent about ants. Look at them, they keep bumping into each other.
Don't forget, I've seen you drive a car.
I still say they're not intelligent. Look at that stoop trying to carry a telephone pole. They're so smart, why doesn't somebody help him?
Well, maybe the others all belong to a different union or something.
Uh-oh, look at Stoop, he's having trouble. There's a pebble in the road.
Oh, that won't bother Fred. He'll go around it.
Fred.
That's his name. Fred's a genius. He'll go around the pebble. Watch.
Bet you a dime he tries to carry the telephone pole over the top of the pebble.
A bet.
Bet.
Now, don't crowd him, Alvin. Give him room.
He's coming up to the pebble. Over the top, Fred. Over the top.
Don't go around it, Fred. There's lots of room.
Come on, Fred. Over.
Come on, don't listen to Alvin.
Come on. Don't let me down. Oh, two can play at that game. All right, Freddie.
Oh, no, Bill, you're giving him signals. Come
You
on.
mean signals? I'm not doing any more than you.
Fred, come on. Fred, Hi, Mrs. Skinridge. It was the ant. He was carrying a telephone pole. He had a bet.
Never mind. She thinks we flipped our lid anyway.
I did get kind of carried away. I mean, you don't think her head is caught in the fence, do you?
Elizabeth, did you know that we have a baby volcano on our front lawn?
Where?
Right there, that little mountain.
Oh, that's Floyd's house.
Who's Floyd?
Friend of Rupert's.
Elizabeth, when you start naming worms, you've gone too far.
Alvin, do you really think I'd be so silly as to give a name to a worm?
Well, don't forget, I just met Fred. Now, who's this character, Floyd?
A gopher.
A gopher?
Seriously, honey, he's so cute and he's smart, too. I'm teaching him to sit up.
How can you say a thing like that? Gophers are pests. Why, they chew the roots of all of the plants. You watch, in 3 months' time, that little beast will chew every plant that we have. They even pull them down from under the ground.
Not Floyd.
They do.
He doesn't even like roots. I feed him carrots and warm cereal. Oh, sweetie, if you could see his beady little eyes light up in excitement when I'm
Maybe you can explain that, Elizabeth.
Oh, well, maybe you watered it too much and it shrank.
I intend to do something about that gopher, and that's all there is to it.
Oh, please, honey. After all, that's the very first plant he's ever eaten.
It'll be the last plant he'll eat, too.
Oh, no. God, he's so cute. And besides, that's a great big plant. It'll probably be weeks before he can finish all that. Please? Oh, please.
Well, if Floyd means that much to you, dear. Probably be a couple of weeks, huh?
Well, maybe he's giving a party.
Can't you see what he's doing? He's coming right down the line. And this one is next on his list.
I never saw the day that one measly little gopher could eat 3 whole plants. One maybe, but possibly 2, but... How do you like that? Termite.
I'll fix him. Where's that hammer?
Look out, Floyd! He's getting a hammer.
Won't do you any good to warn him. I'll stay here 3 weeks if I have to. Come out of there, Lloyd.
He's not kidding. Climb
Lloyd,
out.
I'm not kidding his eyes. Dirt's moving. Here he comes. Here he comes. Get it? Come on, but... Throw dirt in my face. I'll fix you. Lloyd! No, he's in there. Beast. You make one false move and eat my plants with you. Come out of there, Floyd. Floyd. Come out.
Alvin, here's Floyd.
Never mind that. I want to get this thing. Take him away. You'll bite. Come here.
No, isn't he cute?
But
He has another entrance over there, darling.
Are you sure you won't bite?
Come on back. Now, how could you be mean to a little fella like this?
Hey, I think he likes me.
Well, sure he does. No, aren't you ashamed for ruining... Come back here. Aren't you ashamed for ruining his house?
Hey, I think he winked at me. Hi, Floyd.
Darling, he's crying.
Oh, would you cry?
Uncle Alvin's going to fix you a nice new house to live
Look at
in.
this. We'll put him all over the yard.
Hi, Mrs. Skinrich.
Hi,
Alvin was digging a hole for a gopher.
Name's Floyd.